So I just unboxed the folding bike and set everything up so that it's easy to put together. I looked at the manual briefly, but it's pretty straightforward on how to put it together. So here we have the seat, and I actually already attached this part. It's really easy. Just those 3 screws. Comes with the tools to put it together. This is to hold in the seat and adjust the height of the seat. Here are the pedals, left and right, clearly labeled with stickers, and there's also a letter embossed. I have all my screws here. So these long ones are for the foot pedal, the foot of the bike. And how you know which one is which is the front one has wheels so that this bike can be transported when it's folded up. You don't have to carry it, so the wheels go in the very front. And then the back has these ridges on the side. So, yep, that's what the long screws are going to be for. And then these short ones, these little ones, is going to be used to attach the handles right here up on top. And then the pedals just get screwed on. So let's get started. So after this metal piece is screwed onto the seat, you just insert it right here, and height is always adjustable. And then to secure it, just insert this piece and screw it on into the notch. So here I finally inserted it, and then to secure it, just screw this in like so. Now for the feet of the bike, we're going to put in, again, the long screws. So there's going to be 2 on each foot. So let's go ahead and do that. Again, the back one has these ridges on the side here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now I've lined up the screws underneath. And then you just have to put the curve washer on, and then screw on the nuts. And then same with the other side. So put on the washer, screw on the nut. And I just lost that one. Hold on. Okay, we're back. And I just like to screw it on by hand first. And then I'm just going to use their tool here to tighten it. So here I've already set it up and aligned everything. Again, the front is the one with the wheels underneath. All you have to do is the same thing in the front. Put on the washer and then screw on the nut by hand, and then just tighten it with the tool that was given. And then just tighten it like so. And then same thing with the other screw. Okay, now both feet are on the bike. So the front here and the back. Now let's screw on the pedals. So the very first one I'm going to do is, it's already labeled here, the right side. And here's the right. And this is the part that will rotate. So first, screw it in my hand. So the right one is going to be screwed to the right. And then once it's in, you can now use this mini little wrench to turn it. again, the right side, screw it to the right. I know it's hard to see, but and then you just tighten it using this tool if the space is too tight. Alright, right one is on nice and tight. Now let's get on to the left. So it was noted that the left pedal, which is also labeled right here, it was noted that for the left side it actually needs to be rotated counterclockwise. So let's do that. So again, this has an L, and there's also a sticker right here that clearly labels it's the left side. So we're going to go move the camera to the left. Okay. So this needs to go counterclockwise, and again, just do it by hand to get it in first. So you're going counterclockwise. And then after it's in a good amount, now I can use this tool to do the rest. And that's it. Left side is done. Bike is almost complete. I think the last part is the handle, so let's go. Okay, so now we're almost done. We have the feet, the bike, the pedals, the seat. The last part is going to be the handles. So I have my tool and the screws, and just put the handle in, and then there's this piece right here that you're going to connect, and then put in the screws on the side right here. So just line it up, screw that part in. So I'm screwing it in by hand first, and then next just use the L-shaped tool to tighten. Okay, bike is fully assembled now. Here you can see the wide cushion seat, very thick cushion, so it's comfortable. And then what I really like is the large space for me to put my tablet like so, and then it has that non-skid material, and then here you can see the stats of your cycle session, so time, heart rate, distance, speed, all of that stuff. And then here's the resistance knob. So now let's take it for a little test ride. Okay, let's take it for a ride. Turn distance. And it's very, very quiet. Well, let's test out the fold-up feature of the bike. So all I have to do is lift it. I can even do it with one hand or hold it with one hand. And then just and that's it. It's folded.